Hello viewers, we're taking the tutorial of mathematics, and we are going to start with looking about simultaneous equations. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Simultaneous equations will be basically looking at unknowns, solving unknowns. At our level, we are going to be looking at the two variable systems. We are having three ways or methods of how to work out simultaneous equations, and basically the first step, we are having elimination method. We are having substitution, and then we are having solving by matrix method. But in this video, we are going to look at basically two: elimination and substitution. So we are going to start with elimination method, and in this method we are using basically the coefficients of the unknowns. We're seeing x has a coefficient of 1, even though it's invisible, it's not presented here. So our 1 comes here. Then if we are using the x variable, then 2 appears here, as we are doing. So when we are solving this, 1 is going to multiply. So we are, as we have taken the coefficient of x, which was invisible 1, so we applied it here, then a 2 to come down. So we'll multiply 1 throughout, which will be 1 times 2x, which is 2x, plus, since it's a positive here, 1 times 3y, which will be 3y, equaling to 1 times 12, which will be 12. And then if we come down here, we multiply through by 2, which will be 2 times x, which is 2x. Since we are maintaining the negative, minus, so 2 times y, which will be 2y, by the minus, equaling to 2 times 4, which will be 8. So we'll be eliminating the x, since it's the one we used. So we look for a sign that will eliminate our x. So to eliminate our x, I'll just say 0. So here we are having a 3y positive minus minus, which will be a positive, becoming a positive 5y. So then 12 minus 8, which will be, but then we have to maintain the equal signs. So 12 minus 8, which will be 4. So in order to obtain our y, we will divide both sides by 5. So we bring our 5 here. So this will cancel, then y as 4 out of 5. Obtain it as a fraction. So we are going to eliminate 4. We are going to eliminate y. So 2x plus 3y equaling to 12. X minus y equaling to 4. So we are going to eliminate y. As I told you, we are taking the coefficients. So here we are having a coefficient as 1 for y. Bring it up. Then a 3, which was here, to appear down. Again, we are going to multiply as we did previously. So it will be 1 times 2x, which will be 2x, and 1 times 3y, which will be 3y, equaling to 12. So again, we are going to multiply down 3 throughout, which will be 3x minus 3 which is 3y equaling to 3 times 4, which will be. So as we've obtained this, we are going to eliminate y. So we are using a sign that will eliminate y completely. So there we'll be using positive. We are getting something that has to be unlike. So here it will be 2x plus 3x, which is 5x. Then if we do this, 3 plus minus 3y, which will be a 0, equaling to, so this is 12 plus 12, which is 24. So we have 5x equaling to 24. We divide both sides by 5 in order to obtain x, which will be x equaling to 24 out of 5. So we bring it up here to say our y equaling to 4 out of 5 and x equaling to 24 out of 5. So if we are using a method of substitution in order to solve this simultaneous equation, so we rewrite it as 2x plus 3y equaling to 12. So if we are substituting, we will take our 3y, so we'll make this our equation 1. So we are going to substitute this. We are going to say 2x equaling to 12 minus 3y. We've taken 3y this side, so we divide it by 2 in order to obtain x alone. We'll get x equaling to 12 minus 3y out of 2. So let's substitute. Pausing. So let's write our equation 2, which was x minus y equaling to 4. So we are putting x in equation 2. This was our equation 2, sorry. So we had our x here, which was 12 minus 3y out of 2. So it will replace our x as we've stated here. So we are subtracting it by y equaling to 4. So let's maintain. So we are going to remove our 2 here by multiplying it everywhere. So we are going to say 12 minus 3y out of 2 minus y equaling to 4. So, sorry, equaling to 4. So we are going to multiply a 2 here, a 2 here, and a 2 here. So this will cancel, remain with the 12 minus 3y minus 2y, which was 2 times the negative y to get negative 2y equaling to 8. So this will get a minus 3y minus 2y will get a negative 5. So it's 12 minus 5y, which will equal to 8. So we are going to obtain our y. We can either take our 5 here and 8 comes this side. Let's do that one. So say 12, if our 8 comes this side, it will be negative 8. So our 5 will come this way to equate it to 5y. If it crosses equal signs, it becomes a positive. So say we'll get here 12 minus 8, which will be 4 equaling to 5y. So we divide both sides by 5 by 5. So we'll get our y as 4 out of 5. As before, we obtained it when we were eliminating. So let's put y in equation 2, which was x minus y equaling to 4. So we've obtained our y. So x minus our y, which is 4 out of 5, equaling to 4. So in order to remove this 5, we will multiply all our way. So we've obtained this. So we are going to remove our 5 from down. So we are going to multiply everywhere by 5. By 5, by 5, by 5. So here 5 times x, which will be 5x. We maintain the negative. This 5 will cancel, get 4 equaling to 20. 4 times 5. So we are going to take 4 this side, which will come as a positive. So 5x minus 4 plus 4 equaling to 20 plus 4. We'll get 5x equaling to 24. Divide both sides by 5 by 5. So we'll be getting our x as 24 out of 5. As before, we obtained it in the elimination method.